Where we
Ooh,
left off.
first person problems. I didn't get the kind of flavors I wanted in my fruit smash. First world problems. I didn't get the ones I wanted.
Yeah.
Cherries and oranges.
Oh man. Oh man.
Oh man!
No. Ew.
I need my Batman blanket.
I didn't know you had a Batman blanket.
Well, remember from Christmas?
No.
Voice. What? Vaporous. Too bad I don't know what to do with crystals. I know my crystals, but I don't know what to do with my crystals. I don't know what to do with my...
Julian,
Yes.
you should like come over sometime and we should go like watch some yoga videos and that's how we'll get our flexibility. Oh, let's bring the most flexible pants. If you want to come over to me. Or ask. If you're up for it.
I'm fighting a werewolf. And 2 scorpions! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm poisoned. Get to the house! Get in the house! Get in the house! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Get in the house! Get in the house! I can't get in my house! He's gonna kill me! No! 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 Get in the house! Please! Mr. Werewolf, no! I died! Oh no! I couldn't get my house! No! Oh, he's humping my body.
Who's humping your butt?
And well, now I'm in my house.
Oh, come here.
Even any boards.
It's the taunt
Wait,
here.
you lower your sword. Ah, I love this thing. This
lower your
this
sword.
the plug-in. You ready your fist? Come on, say it.
You are ready for fisting.
Your fisting is ready. Is it like?
I'm gonna have to zombie
Is it like the Opera Children?
no.
Oh well,
No.
then I don't really care.
No. They're singing so great.
Favorite animal is cat.
Everybody! Everybody! Is gonna stop. Hello! I'm just gonna bring it back. Bring it
How
back.
dare you? Okay, sure.
Okay.
I'll just talk to viewers. Well, you've already left. Okay, I'm alone. Hello everybody. I'm not too good at single commentary. I don't like being alone. There's kind of nothing to talk about. I like how the music starts as soon as I start talking like this. I'm Morgan Freeman. Let's get this music up. Yes. Minecraft. A game. Where you mine and you mine some more and then you craft. This takes a lot of mining. Lot of mining indeed. But in the end, did you really mine enough? Did you really mine enough? Do you have the essentials you need to make it on? What?
Huh?
What?
What? It's me! Toe Games! Became a horse.
Yeah, you sounded like a horse. I didn't even hit him yet. He just stole a dirt block.
Julian, I donked up!
Did you hit the Enderman?
Yes!
Why? I was gonna kill him!
He ran away.
He's right
Wait.
on top of you. He's literally right above you. He's right on top of you.
He's doing it! Oh my god! my point of view. Oh my god. He was like dancing around the tree, and then all of a sudden he like jumps down.
Oh my god.
Death from a-
Oh my god. Dude. Give me a break. This booty has a lover, baby. What? Oh my god, they're so